The next one is verifying the page title. Like if you're opening a URL, are you opening the correct URL or not, right? So that we have to verify. Suppose I'm opening a google.com and I have opened a exact google.com or not, so there should be the title of your page. So with the help of it, that we can verify, yes, the same one has been opened. So how you can do that? You have to use driver dot get title. Get title is the method. You can see what it is saying. It is saying that get the title of the current page, and the return type is string. You have to put the semicolon in the last, so it will return a value to me, right? It will give the title to me. So I have to store in a variable. We can give as a title. We can get like this, and here we can print it system dot. So if you want to print any value on your console, okay, while checking that it is fine or not, well, what is the value of that particular thing? So in that case, you can use system dot out dot println in Java. This is the concept of a Java. If you want to print anything, you can use system dot out dot println, right? And now just right click on it, run as Java application. So what it will do, it will get the title of this page, and you can see the title of the page is Google. So it means we are on the correct page.
Yeah, Rahul, on UI, can you show me like from which title it prints in
Yeah, so
UI?
what if for UI, what you have to do, you have to inspect it. Okay, after inspect, in the element, you have to search with the name of a title. Control F and search like a title, and in the title you can see title is Google.
Okay,
So it is fetching this value for me. This Google value, it is fetching for me.
okay, got it.
And we are verifying that the page of that our title of our page, I mean, sorry, the title of our page is the Google or not. So we can get this from the through the help of a Selenium WebDriver. Then we can verify it that yes, we are on the correct page.
Okay. And in real time also we will be doing this, right? On all the project whenever say
Yeah,
for
yeah.
example.
Yeah, we
Okay.
do that also to verify any title. Suppose if you're landing from one page to another page, so in that case, we verify that we are going on the correct page or not.
Okay. Okay.
Right? So definitely we do such kind of a things. Every mostly concept we use, but it always depends, at which step we have to use the what exact step. But these are I'm explaining the small concept that are there in our Selenium WebDriver, and based on our requirement while automating the test case, we use that particular concept.
Okay. Okay.
Like so